Welcome back, Johnny here. In today's video, I'm going to show you my paper trading account in Webull. And for everyone who doesn't know, Webull is a commission-free stock trading platform, a lot like Robinhood, and you could actually get like 2 or 3 shares right now if you sign up with the link. So I'll make sure to have a link below for you to use, or just if you want to sign up, period. It is free and it is awesome. It kind of reminds me of like Robinhood, but also with like TD Ameritrade, because they have some awesome graphs, charts, and technical indicators to help you trade better in the market. So as you can see right now, I started this account up with 25,000. Now this is kind of like my day trading, swing trading account, but I haven't done much of that lately. Now, as you can see, I'm up $119 in the last 1 month. Now, I started this at the $25,000 mark around January 5th, January 4th, something like that. So it hasn't quite been a whole month. But look, my strategy in growing this account basically was what I was thinking was like, okay, I have $25,000. I can day trade unlimited now, but I don't have a lot of time on my hands to day trade. So I'm going to get some long-term stocks that go up in appreciation, but also pay a dividend. And so what I did was I took out of $25,000, I'm thinking what I could do is have 25 positions with $1,000 in each position. But then I was thinking, well, what if you do $5,000 in long term and use 20,000 to day trade? So that's exactly what I want to do. So these 3 holdings are $1,000 in each holding, and I'm still trying to figure out what other 2 stocks I should put into this portfolio. So if you have a great 2 companies or a company that you like to hold long term for dividends, put it in the comments below. And while you're down there, don't forget to smash the like button. Also, because of that, I wanted to see how much I can get from $1,000 of an investment. So with Gladstone Capital, I got it at $9, or my average price is $8.71. I got 115 shares at $1,000 market value. It's gone up $70 since then, which is pretty amazing. Starwood Property Trust, I got 54 shares at right around $1,000. Average price was $18.62. And as you can see, I've already gained another $46. Realty Income, or ticker symbol O, I got 17 shares at roughly around $1,020. So it's close as I can get to $1,000. And average price of $60.16. And I'm actually down about $4.50. But as you can see now, this is Sunday. On Friday, the account made $36 in just 1 day off of $3,000. So that's not bad at all. Overall, it's up $119 as a whole for the account, but $119 for $3,000 investment is actually pretty good too. As far as performance goes, in the last month, up $120.79. P&L percent is not quite even a half a percent point of the total account, but the annual rate right now, the annual return percent would be 9% on these 3 accounts. So what I want to do is add a couple of more accounts, and then I want to start using the 20,000 to day trade. Get into like, say, Neo or Tesla or something that's going up, and then sell. Now everyone's going to say, why don't you just put all 25,000 in Tesla and then it doubles overnight? Well, guys, Tesla's not always going to be there. And if it is, it's already too late. Or I want to focus more on companies that we could actually get into. So I'm going to do some trading of penny stocks. I'm going to do some trades of some, day trades, swing trades, a couple of longer plays. We can look into a lot of different technical indicators, and I think that would be awesome. Also, I got a dividend already, which the payday is $121, so I've already got it for $7.48 on Gladstone. Now, this is every single month I'll be getting $7.48, or say $7.50, right? So $7.50 in 2 months, that's $15. 4 months, that's $30. 8 months, that's 60. 12 months, that's $100, right? No, like $80 or so. But either way, that's still money. It's going to increase. It's going to grow over time. So even if I get a couple $100 a year from this one holding, that's really good because I'll be growing my account. Now, if you guys have good stocks or companies that you think that I should trade or look into, leave them in the comments below. And again, while you're down there, smash that like button. So if you want to see this account grow and you want to be a part of it, then help me out by picking some stocks that are long-term, short-term swing trades, and let's watch this account grow together. I still have $21,977 to put into the stock market, and I want to see how fast I can grow this account. How I'm up $120 in a month. That's great for only $3,000 invested. What do I do with the other $22,000? You know what I mean? So let's think about that. But other than that, you guys have a great day.